Deep cleaning or through cleaning? Which one is better? Which one can serve me as a customer better? Let me explain. My name is Mayor Martin, and I'm the owner and the inventor of a revolutionary cleaning process, the through cleaning process. So what does it mean, deep cleaning? You apply the cleaner from the top of the rug and you vacuum from the top of the rug. So the water going about 1/4 inch down and suck up right away from the top. This is the deep cleaning. Here at PetPeePee, we clean the rug through the fiber. All the cleaner, all the Dead Sea cleaner that is on the top of the rug, go through the rug and flush out all the urine crystal to the sewage, and the tube shows me what's going to the sewage. This is how we clean Oriental rug through. Because PetPeePee never uses any enzyme or deodorizer or zap or any kind of those cleaning product, because this is Oriental rug. An Oriental rug must be cleaned in a special way. A cleaning process that protect the fiber, cleaning process that protect the color, and remove the urine odor without depositing any unpleasant smell. So the only cleaning process that can do that is through the rug. This is what we deliver. After we cleaning your rug, we brush it nicely, gently to remove all the dog and the cat's hair, and the rug is ready to be shipped worldwide and even nationwide. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be cleaned through? Call today.
My dog peed on the carpet.